How to log into Facebook Messenger via desktop. So let's get started. Firstly, open any web browser. Use a browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari according to your preferences. Then in the search address bar, search for the Messenger and tap on the Messenger official website option available there and navigate to www.messenger.com. Once you do so, you'll be navigated to Messenger login page. You can log into Messenger without logging in the Facebook. So all you have to do is enter your Facebook email, phone number and password, then click login to access Messenger. And once logged in, you can start chatting with your contacts. So that is it. You can enable 2FA or two-factor authentication on Facebook for extra account security. And by following these steps, you'll be able to log in and start using Facebook Messenger on your computer. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.